Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hey, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel that is still a learner. So today in this class we are going to discuss 7th class new syllabus unit 1 question and answers. Okay? So our English first unit is 3 questions. Okay? Now we are going to see the entire question and answers, grammar part, everything else after the lesson. Whatever questions and grammar are given in the textbook, we are going to cover everything else here in this video. Okay, let's start. So guys, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to it and do share it with your friends. Okay, let's start. So first question is, why did the king want to know answers to 3 questions? Answer is, the king thought that he would never fail if he knew the right answers to the 3 questions. Okay, so let's see the second question, which is, messengers were sent throughout the kingdom. So, first is to fetch wise men, second, to find answers to the questions, third, to look for the wise hermit, fourth, to announce a reward for those who could answer the questions. Mark your choice. So, answer is, messengers were sent throughout the kingdom to announce a reward for those who answered the questions. Okay, guys, let's move on to the next questions from page number 14, which is, complete the following sentences by adding the appropriate parts of the sentence given in the box. So, first one is, many wise men answered the king's question. So the next part of the sentence is below the questions. Okay, we have to pick the correct sentence and we have to join it here. Okay, so that it gives the complete right sentence. So we'll just see the answers. Okay, so many wise men answered the king's question, but their answers were so varied that the king was not satisfied. Second one, someone suggested that there should be a council of wise men to help the king at a right time. Third one, someone else suggested that the king should have a timetable and follow it strictly. Fourth one, the king requested the hermit to answer 3 questions. Fifth one is, the king washed and dressed the beard man's wound, but the bleeding would not stop. Okay, so this is the complete way of sentences. Okay, now we'll see the questions from page number 14 itself. Let's see those. So first question is, answer the following questions. First question is, why was the king advised to go to magicians? Answer, in order to decide the right time to do something, one needs to know the future, and that could be done by magicians only. So the king was advised to go to magicians. Okay, second question is, in answer to the second question, who advice did the people say whose advice did the people say would be important to the king? Answer is, to answer the second question, the advice of counselors or doctors and priests would be important. Okay, guys, now we'll see the next question, which is, what suggestions were made in answer to the third question? Answer is, a few suggestions were made in answer to the third question. The most important thing was suggested to be science, fighting, and moreover religious worship. So, fourth question is, did the wise men win the reward? If not, why not? So answer is, the wise men did not win the reward as they gave different answers to his questions. Okay, guys, now we'll see the next question, which is question number 5. So the question is, how did the king and the hermit help the wounded man? Answer, the king with the help of hermit removed the wounded man's cloth, washed his wound, and covered it with his handkerchief. He redressed it till the blood stopped flowing. So, sixth question is, who was the beard man? Second one, why did he ask for the king's forgiveness? So, first question answer is, the beard man was the sworn enemy of the king who had put beard man's brother to death. He had taken away all his property too. Second answer is, he had sworn revenge on the king, but the king had saved his life by dressing his wound. The beard man felt grateful and asked for forgiveness. Okay, let's move on to the seventh question, which is the king forgave the beard man. What did he do to show his forgiveness? Answer: to show his forgiveness, the king promised to send his servants and doctor to look after him. He was happy to have made peace with the enemy. The king also promised to return his property. Okay. Next, eighth question is, what were the hermit's answer to the three questions? Write each answer separately. Which answer do you like most and why? Now we'll see the answers. So, first point is the most important time was when the king was digging the beds for the hermit. The hermit then was the most important man, and the most important business was to help the hermit. Second point, the most important time was when the king was dressing the man's wounds. The beard man was the most important person, and the service given to that man was king's most important business. Third point, the most important time is present. The most important person is with when one is at the moment. To do a good deed to a person is the most important business. I feel the third answer is the most appropriate one. If we do the right at the present moment, everything will be all right in future. So guys, this is the answer. Now we'll move to the next set of questions from page number 15. Okay, so here the first question is, match items in list A with the meaning in list B. So here in the A column we have given some words. Okay, so for that word there is a particular meaning. So that was set in a column B. Okay, now we have to match the word with its meaning correctly. Okay, here one is done for us, which is fainted means lost consciousness. Okay, in this way we have to match it. So here five words are given and five meanings are given. We have to match it correctly. Now we'll see the answers for this. Oh, sorry guys, we have given seven words with seven meanings. Okay, let's see the answers. So first one is wounded, which means severely injured. Second one, awoke, meaning got up from sleep. Third one, forgive, which means pardon. Fourth one, faithful, which is loyal. Next, pity means feel sorry for. Next, sixth one is beds. So answer is small particles of ground from for plants. Next, return, which means give back. So these are the answers for this match the following type. Okay guys, now we'll move to the next sentence here. Words in sentence, which means from the above word with meaning we have phrase three sentences here. Let's see. So I took pity on a wounded bird. Okay, second one, the dog is a faithful animal. Third one, please plant the saplings in the beds. Okay, now we'll see the second question, which is each of the following sentence has two blanks. Fill in the blanks with appropriate forms of the word given in the brackets. Okay, here we have given fill in the blanks. Okay, for each sentence we have given two blanks. Okay, and in the bracket we have given hint also for this sentences. Okay, here one example is given. He has dash to help me. Do you think he will remember his dash? In the bracket promise is given. Now how we have to make it? He has promised to help me. Do you think he will remember his promise? Okay, same word should be used in two forms depending on the sentence. Okay guys, now what we'll do, we'll just see the answers for this seven sentences. Okay, so let's see. So first sentence we have two blanks. So in the first blank we have to fill with the judge, and in the second blank we have to fill with judgment. In this way, second sentence is difference differed. Third one, answer answer. Fourth one, necessary necessity. Next, fifth one, wise wisdom. Sixth, decided decision. Seventh, forgiveness forgive. Okay guys, Now we'll see the questions for speaking and writing part, which is in page 16. Okay, now question is, imagine you are the king. Narrate the incident of your meeting the hermit. Begin like this. Okay, the wise man answered my question, but I was not satisfied with their answers. One day I decided to go and meet the hermit. So in this way you have to start the paragraph. Actually you are the king here. Okay, so let's see the answer. The wise men answered my questions, but I was not satisfied with their answer. One day I decided to go and meet the hermit who was known for his wisdom. When I reached his hut, he was digging the earth. He greeted me and kept digging. I put my questions before him, but he even kept mum. He was feeling tired. I took the spade and started digging for him. I repeated my request for answering the questions. Just then, a bearded man came there. I had to redress his wound and console him. The hermit served him with food and shelter. Before coming back, I repeated my questions to the hermit. At last, the sage gave answers to my satisfaction. I have made peace with my enemy by then. So, second question is, imagine you are the hermit. Write briefly the incident of your meeting the king. Begin like this. One day I was digging in my garden. A man in ordinary clothes came to see me. I knew it was the king. So, in this way, you have to begin your paragraph. Now you are the hermit, okay, and king came to meet you. Let's see the answer. One day I was digging in my garden. A man in ordinary clothes came to see me. I knew it was the king, but I kept digging. I worked hard and got tired. He put three questions before me to answer, but I kept mum. He asked me to give my spade and he started digging. Just then I saw a bearded man coming and made the king turn around. I, with the help of king, dressed the wounded bearded man and took him in the hut. I served him with the food and he slept. The king repeated his questions. Only then I gave the answers to his satisfaction. He regarded me with a bowed head and went to his capital. So, this is the answer for this. Now, we'll see the introduction about this lesson. So, once a king wanted to know the answer to three questions. He thought that he would never fail if he knew three such questions answers. How he got the answers is the basic theme of Leo Tolstoy's stories questions. The answers to these questions ennobled the king, and he knew what the life sought him for doing the noble work for his subjects. To this, we end up the chapter, guys. I hope you all like this. If you like it, guys, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. Okay, bye bye, take care.